Today we will do the 5 most important constitutional judgments of 2023 for our exams. The first case is Vivek Narayan Sharma versus Union of India, wherein the central government's decision of demonetizing the note of rupees 500 and 1000 was challenged. The decision was given by 4:1, and the majority held that the process was lawful and proportionate, that is, the purpose and the measure adopted by the government had reasonable nexus. However, the dissenting opinion was given by Justice Nagratna that the government had good intention but the process adopted was not lawful and government could have done it only by way of legislation. Next judgment is Animal Welfare Board of India versus Union of India, known as Jallikattu judgment, wherein petitions were referred to Constitution Bench to decide whether Jallikattu and Bullock cart are protected under Article 29 as a cultural right. The court upheld the constitutional validity of the state amendments made to the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act and allowing the animal sports like Jallikattu and Bullock cart. The next judgment is Anup Baranwal versus Union of India, wherein a writ petition was filed challenging the current system of appointment of election commission members, that it violates Article 324, and instead advocated for a collegium system. The court settled the dispute revolving around the appointment of election commission members and held that it shall be on the advice of 3 members committee consisting of Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition and the Chief Justice of India. However, the Parliament enacted an act in the year end proposing the selection committee which replaces the Chief Justice of India with Union Cabinet Minister, and thereby it restores the position as it was before the Supreme Court's ruling in this case. The petitions have been filed challenging the constitutionality of this act. However, on 13th of February, the Supreme Court refused to stay the law. Another important case is Supriyo versus Union of India, which relates to same-sex marriage, wherein a batch of petitions were filed seeking the equal right to marry for sexual minorities. The 5 judges bench unanimously held that there is no fundamental right to marry under the Constitution. Also, the court said that it cannot enter into judicial legislation to read words into the Special Marriage Act and make it gender neutral. Also, the court left it to the Parliament to undertake this process. Last case is Kaushal Kishore versus State of UP. A petition was filed against the Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan's remark on 2016 Bulandshahr gang rape case, where he termed it as political controversy and nothing else. The issue was related to the freedom of speech and expression of public functionaries. The court held that the freedom of speech and expression cannot be restricted beyond the restrictions provided under Article 19, Clause 2. Moreover, the statement made by a minister cannot be vicariously attributed to the government, and also mere statement made by a minister inconsistent with the rights of citizens may not become actionable as a constitutional tort except when, as a consequence of such a statement, any act or omission by the officer results in loss to a citizen. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. You may give the suggestions in the comment. Thank you for watching.